Hello friends, in this section we are going to see how one sparse matrix, lower triangular matrix, is going to be stored in column measure order. So this is the lower triangular matrix in front of you, and you know that lower triangular matrix is having element all above principal diagonals are 0. So here all the principal diagonals are 0. And here what we are going to do, we are going to store this element only that elements that are non-zero. So only non-zero element will be stored, and we know that in this there are two different orderings are possible. One is a row measure ordering and another one is a column measure ordering. So here in this section we are going to talk about column measure ordering. So if you look at here, that this is the order in which element is going to be stored. So first we are going to store a column with n element, then we are going to store a column with n minus 1 element, then again here in this case is n minus 2, and finally in this case is n minus 3, which is equal to 1. So we are going to store all the non-zero element one after another, and that is how we are going to saving space by not storing all the zero element. So this is your column 1, and you can see here that is the assigned 4 elements over here. The 4 elements are here. In the second column you can see that there are 3, then 2, and then there is 1 element. Now from programmer perspective, that you must, when you give the address, then it must fetch the value, and address calculation is one of the part that we have done in array. So here also we are going to target that if the elements are stored in column measure order, how can we figure it out the address for Aij? We'll assume here in this case the base address as 1000 and size of each element as 2 bytes. So now you can see here that as an example, that if I am calculating the address of 4th row and 3rd column, okay, 4th row and 3rd, I want address of 4th row and 3rd column, and in this case, because I know this is a column measure order, I am in the 3rd column, and that means previous to this 3 minus 1, 2 columns are already completed. How many elements with that? So in this section you can see that there are 4 elements in first column and 3 elements in the another column. So 2 columns are completed. Okay, so I'll write here 2 columns completed with 4 plus 3, 7 elements. 4 plus 3, that is 7 elements. That is a manual calculation, 7 elements. And here you see in this case is that how many elements completed in this column. So now we need to identify and the situation, and we need to derive a formula for it. So in this case, before 3 for this particular column I am talking about, before 3 there is no element is arranged for this particular column. Before 4 there is a 1 element arranged. Let's come here. Before 3 1 element arranged. Before 2 1 0 element is arranged, and before 4 2 element is arranged. So if this is the index I, this is the index j, I minus j index indicate the number of element that is arranged in that particular column. In this case it is 4 minus 3, that is 1. So 1 element completed for the last column. 1 element completed for last column. The 1 element completed. 1 element completed or stored, already stored in last column. Now, so now total, if you say 7 plus 8 element is already been arranged. 7 for here, 4 plus 3 7, and this is 8. Now because my starting address is from 1000, this 8 element, if I going to multiply with the size of each element, which we are assuming as 2 byte, a manual like an arrangement is already given to you. So 8 into 2, and that 1000 is the base address, 1000 is the base address, plus 8 elements are been arranged, each of size 2, and that is equal to 1016. So that should be the address, and that is a sort of manual calculation, and you can verify this, that A43 in this case is 1016. The question is that if the size of the array is like 50 cross 50 or 100 cross 100, can I still do this counting in this manner? Answer is no. We need to devise a method by which we can calculate the number of element arranged, the base address and size. So let's solve this problem, that is a generalized solution for a lower triangular matrix arranged in column measure order. So this is something that that we are going to solve here, the lower triangular matrix, and suppose this is n cross n matrix and we want to calculate address of A of ith row and jth column. Now in ith row jth column, like we are already completed, okay, we have already completed j minus 1 column, okay, j minus 1 columns, right? Now, right, the first column will consist of n element, the second column will consist of n minus 1 element, the next column will consist of n minus 2 element, and similarly now I need to generalize this situation, the number of element in j minus 1 column. So for first I am not subtracting, so 0 subtracted. For second I am subtracting 1 lesser value. For 3 I am subtracting 2, again 1 lesser value. For j minus 1 I will subtract 1 lesser value, and that is n minus, I will say 1 lesser, so j minus 2. So n minus j minus 2, this element will be subtracted from this. This is the column is sorted in this case. Now here I ask you a simple question, that how many n's are here in this case, how many number of n's? So the number of n's will be in this case will be 1, 2, 3, and number of terms are j minus 1. So number of n's will be also j minus 1, and that I can write here in this case is n times, okay, how many j minus 1 in this case. Minus I will take common and I will see a series here, 1 plus 2 plus 3, and up to this sequence will go to j minus 2. So this sequence will go up to j minus 2. Now this can be rewritten here in this case, this is n into j minus 1 minus, now this is j minus 1 natural numbers, and that can be added to n, that is j minus 1, n into n plus 1 divided by 2, j minus 1 into j minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2, and that will become j minus 2 into j minus 1 divided by 2. This is the total number of element completed in up to j minus 1 column, starting from the first, which is consist of n element, second which is n minus 1 element, third which is n minus 2 element, and up to j minus 1. The previous problem when I was solving manually, that I already told that here we can observe before 3 3 there is a no element is arranged, but before a 4 3 there is only one element is arranged, and that means the number of element arranged in this case is I minus j. So this is about the column. Then we'll talk about the rows in this case. So number of means the last column we'll talk about. So this is up to n minus 1 column, j minus 1 column. For jth column, okay, for jth column, I minus j elements are already arranged. Elements are already arranged. Okay, so that is now we are ready with to say the answer, that address of ij, okay, address of ij will be equal to, okay, address of a of I j is equal to base address plus, now what I will write here is this, n into j minus 1 minus j minus 1 into j minus 2 divided by 2 plus I minus j into size. Okay, so this is the formula for retrieving the address for Aij for a lower triangular matrix column measure order. I hope this discussion is clear to you and you enjoyed the session. That's all for this discussion. Thank you very much.